Hello everybody, this is Mr. Nardelli from Math Class. I'm going to be talking to you tonight about order of operations. Now this is used when you're solving an equation with multiple operations. So that means something that has more than one plus or minus or divided or exponent or something. Now you must solve in this order. Parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division in order from left to right. Then you come down to addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So a good little analogy type thing to remember that would be, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or just the nonsense word PEMDAS. That'll kind of help you to keep things in order. So if we have an equation such as this, solve 2 plus 3 times 5. One of the basics, we obviously go through the order of operations. There's no parentheses to solve. There's no exponents to solve. So I have to do multiplication and division in order from left to right. So I have to solve this 3 times 4 first. I don't solve the 2 plus 3. So if I solve 3 times 4 first, I get 12, and then I tack on that 2. So I have now 2 plus 12, and I have nothing left but that addition, so I have 2 plus 12 give me 14. Pretty straightforward. It's when you start getting equations that are a little bit more detailed. I thought that was supposed to have a number 2 to it, but there we go. Okay, so if we have a larger equation such as this, 290 minus 3 to the third power times 9 plus parentheses 5 plus 2. So by the order of operations, I have to do parentheses first. Even though it's an addition in there, I still have to solve this 5 plus 2 first. So I like to just write it underneath, and I solve it one step at a time. So I say 5 plus 2 is 7, and then I write the other stuff in there. 290 minus 3 to the third times 9 plus 7. Now I've solved all parentheses, so my next job is to solve the exponents. I've got one exponent here to solve. Now I have to remember that's 3 times 3 times 3. It's not 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So then I'll just bring that down and everything else that's involved. My equation now says 290 minus 27 plus 9, or excuse me, times 9 plus 7. So order of operations, I have to do multiplication and division in order from left to right. Well, I have only a multiplication problem, so I'll go ahead and solve that. 27 times 9. I'll go over to the side and solve it, and I get 243. And notice my equation now says 290 minus 243 plus 7. Now here's where it can get a little tricky. I have to do addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So I actually have to solve 290 minus 243 first. And I will get 47. Now I have nothing left to solve but 47 plus 7, giving me 54. So you can see each step I kind of chipped away at it a little bit at a time till I got the answer. And I took, including the line writing the problem, 6 lines to solve it. So you may take a couple of lines to solve something like this. Once again, if you need any help, please email me at nardelli.efsc@gmail.com. Thanks.